What's up, everybody? What's up? Happy Sunday to all my subscribers. Thank you for staying subscribed. For people watching not subscribed, you should subscribe. And yeah, we're back today working on the hatch. As you guys can see, I've been kind of busy sanding most of it down. I got both passenger and driver floor pans pretty much bare metal. Was finally able to get a hold of a shop vac, so I'm able to get a lot of this dirt and grime that's out of here. I just got stuff piled in there because I didn't have one the last time I was here. And today I had to grab some more flop discs to do sanding with. I got a 120 and an 80 grit, and I got some masks because it gets pretty dusty in there. So that's what we're looking at so far today. Here's what I've cut out and taken out of the car so far. Probably like 20 pounds. Something light. Like I said, we're going to be focusing on the trunk area today and mostly this back half and whatnot. So yeah, let's get right into it. You guys can see we got a lot more sanded down today. There's some glue from paint right there. I was trying to sand it and it just made it really like webby. Kind of melted it, so I'm gonna get like some acetone before I sand that down. Got a lot of the trunk done. Still gotta get on the other side of those plates. I got rusty. Still gotta do the wheel well area. And then I'll probably touch up some of this stuff. And yeah, so it's definitely coming together. Probably gonna be a few weeks before we get it painted. Me and Brandon still gotta get some heat in here before I can lay down any paint. Here's his hoopty. Here's my other hoopty. Getting all dusty. Yeah, so you got the trunk with you. I still got a little bit of there to do. Pretty much this centerpiece right here, and then the wheel wells, and a couple of small areas. But she's definitely coming along. We're getting there, and soon we'll be tearing this motor out. Throwing a new gasket on, and just, I might even take all the internals out and get the block checked, make sure there's nothing wrong with the block, and go from there. So we got nothing but time. Ordered some stuff from Tri-State the other day, so that'll be coming in. I'll show you guys that in the next video probably. And yeah, so definitely some big changes coming for the car this year. And yeah, so next time we're here, we're probably gonna get this tunnel sanded down completely, those wheel wells and the rest of the trunk area. And then we'll be able to start wiping everything down, getting it ready to prime, and also taping off the majority of the stuff that's not gonna get painted. So we're making some progress for sure. Just a matter of time. Been busy with work a lot, doing some interior houses. Some interior work on houses, and it's just time consuming. So stick with me because we're making progress. And then when we get this paint down, it's gonna be fire. Super glossy. And you can see the dust in the air. And for the cage, we're gonna do a hammered black. Just keep it simple. And yeah, I don't know if I already set up with the floor and all. This is just gonna be gloss black, hammered black, and then probably one Kirky in there. And then the engine bay, I want to do gloss black too, as well. Just to freshen everything up. It's pretty dull in here. And yeah, looking on getting this manifold coated. Get rid of that rusty flange. Probably clean that up when we take it off. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.